Hey guys, welcome back. So a little bit ago I saw a video on one of my favorite Crown Vic channels where he talks about his spring maintenance, where he changes his engine oil, his transmission fluid and filter, and differential gear oil. And he lives up close to the North Pole where it's snowy and cold, and because of the inclement weather conditions he prefers to do a once a year oil change with about 10,000 miles of driving. And to compensate for this extended interval, he uses an extended life oil filter. And it got me thinking about the oil filters that I've been using and my usual schedule of changing my oil once every 6 months. So I think everybody knows you can get these Motorcraft filters at Walmart for $3.97. But recently I discovered that if you go to walmart.com you can order a 2-pack at a discounted price of $3.57 each. So I started thinking about if this once a year oil change interval might be beneficial for my application, and I started researching the extended life oil filters. And I found this one here. This one seems to be pretty popular. This is a Fram XG2, top of the line, and they sell for $9 each, and it says on here they're good for 1 year or 20,000 miles of driving. And
with its largest in-class trunk, spacious cabin, and powerful V8 delivering 215 horsepower on all 8 cylinders all the time, while maintaining a remarkable 23 miles per gallon highway, the 2006 Crown Victoria can get you where you need to go and take what you need to take. Have you driven a Ford lately?
I found another one here that seems to be popular. This is the Mobil 1, and it goes for $10 each, and there, again, it's good for 1 year or 20,000 miles of driving. So once I saw that mileage on the box of the oil filter, I started wondering if there was a mileage or a time on this box, and I couldn't find one. However, what I did find is in the owner's manual of my 2010 Grand Marquis that covers the Crown Victoria, I found this statement in the scheduled maintenance guide, and it says on here, maximum oil change interval. Normal schedule, 7,500 miles or 6 months, whichever occurs first. So given that this information is in the owner's manual, I'm thinking that these Motorcraft filters are only good for 7,500 miles or 6 months, whichever comes first. So when it comes to pros and cons of these Motorcraft filters, I'm going to say the pro is the cost. You know, these things are 2 or 3 times as cheap as the extended life ones, but again they only last 7,500 miles or 6 months. So it got me thinking about what you guys are using. So if you could leave down in the comment section if you're using an extended life oil filter and what kind, or if you're not, what kind of oil filter, and if you're changing your oil once every 6 months or once a year. And I also did put the link to BCM Wolverine's videos down in the description of his spring maintenance part 1 and part 2, and I'll put the 3 links for these 3 filters down below as well: the Motorcraft, the Fram extended life, and the Mobil 1 extended life. Okay, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.